Hi, welcome back. We're moving on from the still life fruit bowl today and reaching into the veg rack. Purple aubergines. Okay, just two colours for this. Amethyst, which is a red violet, and on the direct opposite side of the colour wheel, a yellow green. This is bright green lake. So what I'm going to do here, as you can see, I've set up a scale of different shades of grey, different values, ignoring the white and the black, which I'm just going to use for tweaking. What I'm going to do is mix some of this amethyst into these greys. And what I'm looking for is a nice balance of colours. I'm not going to put the whole lot in, I'm just going to kind of bring it to the side and mix it through. I can be a little bit more adventurous with this one. A little bit more, borrow that bit from there. Okay, so that's about right, and now I'm going to put what remains of this into the last one. Now these are all too purple, you'll notice at the moment. They don't look very realistic for these aubergines. What we're going to have to do with these colours is grey them out a bit. Well, they're already quite grey because they've been mixed with the grey base. However, the direct complement pushes them to a really, really nice workable colour. You don't want to put too much of this in, a tiny little bit. But you can see there we've gone from a really lurid tube green into a very, very workable grey. And it's the tiniest amount that you need. Too much just pushes it way over the top. So just be very, very gentle. You can always put more in, you can't take it out. So there you go. Now what we've just done technically is we've created three separate tones of the amethyst, a very chromatic colour. I'll translate as we go along here. What we've done is we've used three different greys in a very bright colour. Technically, because those greys were in ascending order of darkness, they could be described as a value scale, and so therefore we have created three different values of the amethyst, which we've then greyed with its complement. Complementary colour is the one directly on the other side of the colour wheel. So in real terms, quite a technical exercise that, but really very easy when you see it on the palette, and painting doesn't have to be complicated. Let's keep it simple. So if that's been useful to you, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.